Hey all, the question is, will ChatGPT replace humans in every stream, every sector? Well, we'll see. Let's let's just ask ChatGPT a few trick questions to evaluate its critical thinking. And okay, this is ChatGPT. Okay, here's where I type. Okay, uh, let's start by asking a simple trick question, a trick question. So let's ask, okay, if one person walks 2 kilometers in 2 hours, how long will it take for 2 people to walk the same distance? Okay, alright, this seems like a decent question, and the answer is pretty simple. It should just say it will take even a crowd just 2 hours, nothing more, nothing less. Because just because you have more than one person now, they are not necessarily going to start running now. Alright, so it's doing some unnecessary math here. Let's see what answer it comes up with. Okay, therefore it will take 2 people 1 hour to walk the same distance that one person walked in 2 hours. It is correct if you consider summing up the distances walked by an individual, but clearly that is of no use that way. Well, I was about to ask it some more trick questions, but I think this is enough damage. We can stop here. Alright, now you let me know down in the comments below what are the tasks that only a human could do better, or a human would do better even in future compared to an AI. This is of course considering AI is not limited by hardware. It can do physical tasks just like humans. It has all physical aids like perfectly working robotic arms and everything. And it's not just limited in software, it can do physical tasks as well. So considering all this, what are the tasks you can think of that only humans can do better than AI, now as well as in future? What would be these tasks? Just comment down below in the comment section. Maybe let's just ask it the same question again in a different way. If it takes 10 people 1 hour to walk 1 kilometer, or just say 1 mile. If it takes 10 people 1 hour to walk 1 mile, how long will it take 5 people to walk the same distance? Okay. If it takes 10 people 1 hour to walk 1 mile, alright, it started with some math again. Alright. Okay, it's doing all sorts of calculations. Well, these are dumb calculations. Doesn't make sense. Therefore, it will take 5 people 2 hours. Alright, take 5 people 2 hours. Okay, the 2 hours answer is wrong. 5 people 2 hours to walk the same distance that 10 people walked in 1 hour. The answer is clear and simple. It should have just said it will take any number of people the same amount of time to walk the same distance. Instead, it's just doing some calculations and giving different answers. So whenever you give ChatGPT some numbers to work with, it will try and correlate those numbers with the rest of the data that you've given. So there are some flaws with ChatGPT. And to the question, will it replace humans in every realm of human endeavor? Well, I don't think so. At least not yet. Right now, a few things come to my mind that ChatGPT can not do no matter what. Like editing videos. Only a human brain can do it well. No matter how big your neural network is, it will never be able to edit videos the same way a human can. Only a human knows which elements to cut out, which element of the video is not good, can be scrubbed out. The ChatGPT or any neural network, it wouldn't know. Well, these are some really simple questions we asked ChatGPT, and this is enough damage. No need to ask more questions. Any question you ask which doesn't have anything to do with numbers, but if you just simply put numbers in it, this engine is going to try and correlate the data in your question, read those numbers, and this is what you'll get. So I think it's going to be some time before things like ChatGPT can replace humans, and I guess that's a good news. I guess people will remain in business for slightly longer, at least until such issues are fixed. Alright, well, alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.